Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: battery level, storage, and mic choice. Once done, plug in a TRRS or USB-C microphone if you need higher fidelity, otherwise leave the built-in mic. Now unlock your Samsung, swipe to the apps tray, and open Voice Recorder. Make sure the app permissions for microphone and storage are allowed so recordings save correctly. You're ready to pick a recording mode. Choose standard for voice or music for wider frequency range before you press record. You'll now focus on capture quality. First, select the appropriate mode: standard for speech, interview for 2 sources, music for richer detail. Next, place the microphone about 6 to 12 inches from the sound source. If outdoors, use a windscreen or shield against gusts. Open the app's level meter and perform a test phrase. Adjust the input gain or phone media volume so peaks stay below clipping. Once levels are steady and background noise minimized, you're set to record the full take. You press record and deliver your performance while watching the meters to avoid clipping. If you need a break, use pause, not stop, to maintain one file. When finished, tap stop, give the file a clear name, and immediately save. Then export a backup copy to cloud storage or send it via email. If playback is too quiet or distorted, first verify the mic connection and app permissions. Try toggling modes, using an external mic or adding a small preamp, and repeat a short test recording to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.